The division that shall accomplish the primary responsibility of safeguarding the community through protection of persons and property, the suppression of criminal activities, the apprehension of criminals, the enforcement of laws and ordinances and regulations of conduct, and performing necessary services and inspections is A. Traffic Division, B. Theft and Robbery Division, C. Patrol Force, D. Juvenile Delinquency Control Division. Answer C. Patrol Force. The traffic accident investigator is chiefly concerned with accidents that involve one or both of the elements, namely A. Motor vehicle and traffic way, B. Motor vehicle and victim, C. Victim and traffic way, D. Victim and traffic unit. Answer A. Motor vehicle and traffic way. One of the following statements that best indicates the main purpose of traffic law enforcement is A. Reduce traffic by punishing violators of traffic rules, B. Keep traffic moving at a steady rate to avoid bottlenecks, C. Control the speed limit in densely populated areas, D. Prevent traffic accidents and expedite the flow of traffic. Answer D. Prevent traffic accidents and expedite the flow of traffic. It is customary for the police to keep records of lost or stolen automobile license plates. The best reason for this practice is to A. Permit the promote issuance of new plate, B. Prevent cards from being stolen, C. Keep record of all outstanding license plate in use, D. Detain any person found using or attempting to use any of these plates. Answer D. Detain any person found using or attempting to use any of these plates. The general principle of traffic accident investigation is A. Consider road conditions as limiting conditions rather than as causes. B. Consider violation as primary causes and any other factors as secondary causes. C. Regard any unfavorable factor existing immediately prior to the accident as a cause. D. Look for the key event that causes the accident. Answer D. Look for the key event that causes the accident. The basic principle behind selective enforcement in traffic control is A. Selection of geographical areas for strict enforcement, B. Concentration of enforcement activities at peak traffic hours, C. A shifting emphasis on different types of violations, D. A warning rather than a citation will act as preventive measure for future violation. Answer A. Selection of geographical areas for strict enforcement. The optional retirement for officers and new officers of the police service is A. 15 years, B. 25 years, C. 30 years, D. 20 years. Answer D. 20 years. The nature of complaint against any PNP member is called A. Individual complaint, B. Public complaint, C. Citizens complaint, D. Administrative complaint. Answer C. Citizens complaint. The consequence of an act which temporarily deprives an officer from privilege of performing his duty is referred to as A. Dismissal, B. Retirement. C. Resignation. D. Suspension. Answer D. Suspension.